Question number 23. Damaged, cracked or broken wheel rim attaching parts. Evidence of imminent wheel hub or bearing failures. Check the wheel rim from the outside, in between the tires and from the inside and say, my wheel rim is good. There is no crack, no damage, nothing broken outside and inside. All attaching parts, no crack, no damage, nothing broken outside and inside. Hub mounted securely, no leakage outside, no leakage inside. Wheel bearing is good, it's good. Now read minor or major in the Schedule 1 and describe. If damaged, cracked or broken wheel rim or attaching part or evidence of imminent wheel hub or bearing failure, these are the major defect, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator and I will not drive.